welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ECS LIVA Q3 PLUS ultra small desktop PC. So friend, ECS released two series of ultra compact desktop PCs including the LIVA Q3 PLUS, and it is an ultra compact desktop PC that features Ryzen Embedded and friend, the Ryzen Embedded R1505G CPU, DDR4 2400 4GB memory, 64GB storage, eMMC, LIVA Q3 P4x64 W10 Pro, Ryzen Embedded V1605B CPU, DDR4 2400 8GB memory, 128GB storage, eMMC, LIVA Q3x8 128 W10 Pro V165B, and friend, all network are Gigabit LAN, IEEE 802.11 AC wireless LAN, Bluetooth 4.1. Display output is HDMI 2.0x1, miniDisplayPort 1.4x1, and fan sink is provided for cooling. And friend, the outward measurements are 74 mm wide, 74 mm deep, 52.1 mm high, and it weighs around 359 grams. And friend, the second one is LIVA Z3 N4500, and it is fanless ultra compact desktop PC which is powered by Celeron N4500 processor, and the product range include LIVA Z3 4x64 W11 Pro with pre-installed Windows 11 Pro 64-bit version, and LIVA Z3 4x64 W10 LOT with a pre-installed Windows 10 LOT Enterprise LTSC 64-bit version, and friend, DDR4 2666 4GB memory, 64GB eMMC storage, and M.2 2280 port are the primary specification. And for the network has Gigabit LAN into 1, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, HDMI 2.0, miniDisplayPort 1.2 display output. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.